Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to set custom width for elements or widget in Elementor WordPress in container. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using container layout. Now you see container, so click on it, and then on left side you see layout style advanced. So we are using image element and text widget. Now click on image element, so click on it. Now we are in edit image. Now you see content style advanced, so we are in advanced, and then you see width for desktop, drop down. Now select custom. Now you see width, so you can set according to requirement. Now you see 30%. Now click on text widget, so click on it. So we are in advanced setting for text widget, and then you see width, default, select custom. Now make it 70. But you see both image and text widget are not in line. Now you see edit container, so click on it, and then you see direction and select row horizontal. Now you see this is our layout, and then you see responsive mode, so click on it, and then go to mobile portrait, so click on it. So this is our mobile layout. Now select image again. Now select default, or you can select percentage, and now make it 100. Now click on text widget for mobile. Then you can select percentage, and now make it 100 like this. So this is our layout for mobile layout. Also you see width. If you want, you can select default and then click on update. So in this way you can set custom width for elements for desktop and mobile layout in container in Elementor WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.